Welcome back. Mapsa Fish Market is in news again. The new building promised to them is still incomplete. Here is a report.
The existing fish market at Mapsa is lying in a pathetic state. It may collapse at any time.
आम्ही पळय दिता ती हे सांगता त्या प्रमाणे तिणी मान्य करून आमकां दिवचे तेन्ना आमी मार्केटांची भायर सरता.
Joki Alamau, the fishery minister, assured that the stopped construction will start soon.
But what happened? The contractor gone in arbitration. So we brought him and we given the work, given his money and retender already, and new order is already given.
The vice chairperson of MMC, Oscar D'Souza, said that the work should be given back to the original contractor to avoid delays.
It is half left because of some problems, I don't know, financial problems. It was left by the contractor, and now Suda has asked us to appoint a fresh contractor. But we feel that we should continue with the same contract. That means a consultant.
Our reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
Prudent Media's yet another attempt to highlight one of the neglected parts of our Goan history. The biggest Shivlinga in Goa lies unattended in a sorry state. Our reporter Uday Parab gets you more on this.
18 kilometers away from Bicholi, there is a Vadavar village. One can experience peace and can adore beauty of thick forest. In this forest, we can see one of the ancient monuments of Goan history, a 4.5 feet height Shivlinga. This Shivlinga at present is lying in a sorry state. It is surrounded by one more Shivlinga and some ancient broken idols. Villagers claim that this Shivlinga is existing from Mahabharata times.
सगळ्यांक व्हडले ते 5-5 वर्षाच्या केन्नाच ऐकूंक ना.
कोण पळोवंक बी येयल्ले केन्ना
अशें केन्ना खूब जाता. आतां कशें तुमी येयले
सरकारचे कोण येयल्ले काय म्हणून
सरकारचे तशें कोण ना.
We contacted historian Rajendra Kerkar for more details.
आणि ह्या वडावल गावान जर आमी सिद्धाची राय नावाची जी जागा आसा ह्या जंगल सदृश्य जागेर आमी गेले जाल्यार आमकां गोंयच्या संस्कृतायेचे आनी इतिहासाक एक बळकटी दिवपी अशें एक संचित पळोवपाक मेळटा जे जावन आसा व्हडलें शिवलिंग. गोंयान इतलें व्हडलें शिवलिंग पळोवपाक आणखी तुमकां खंय दुसरी जागा मेळपाची ना.
Kerkar also said that this monument needs to be preserved.
वडावलचे शिवलिंग हे गोंयच्या संस्कृतायेचे गिरेस्त दायज आसा आणि तेची राखण जावप ही एक काळाची गरज जावन आसा.
Karnataka scored a comprehensive 151-run victory over Tamil Nadu to retain the PS Rama Mohan Trophy, South Zone Interstate Cricket Trophy.
In their final league game at Panji Gymkhana grounds at Kampal on Friday, captain CM Gautam scored scintillating 137 runs. He was well supported by Karthik in the opening stand of 176 runs as Karnataka posted 330 runs for the loss of 6 wickets in the allotted 50 overs. Tamil Nadu could only manage to score 179 with S. Anirudh as the top scorer with 47 runs. Karnataka bowlers Mithun, Aditya and Chetan took 3 wickets each. Karnataka have made a hat-trick of titles and captain Gautam hailed the team for playing to their plans. He was also happy with his batting form.
Yeah, actually I didn't get hundreds, and this was a crucial game and we got to win this game to win the championship, and I'm happy that it came in the right time.
Let's look at the headlines once again. Shiv Sena attacks Inox protesting against picturization of Lord Ram in Slumdog Millionaire. Parrikar criticizes government on short assembly sessions and casinos. Decision on issuance of process on Babush's alleged false affidavit on 27th. And Karnataka top under 25 cricket. And with this, we come to an end of this newscast. Keep watching Prudent Media.